Dolls, so I'm here today stepping way out my comfort zone to share with you all this wig that I've been rocking lately, and it is by Freetress Equal. But to make sure that I do got its name and specs and all that other good stuff correctly, I'm going to read it to you from its packaging. So I'm rocking the Freetress Equal Premium Deluxe Lace Front Wig. She's curl iron safe, she's flat iron safe up to 400 degrees. The style that I am wearing is called EMILIA, and the color is SPBSCOTCH. This is what she's looking like on the packaging. That is the model that is on the packaging, and this is Miss EMILIA when you get her out of its packaging. And I only had to do just a little bit of manipulation, meaning all I did was cut the lace off of this wig, and then I applied some face powder right here in on the parting space just to brighten it up so the parting space can appear more realistic. That was all I did to it, but these colors are absolutely gorgeous, and this was me stepping way out my comfort zone, which I promised myself for 2019 I'm going to do a lot more often. So I want to show you what it's looking like. This is what she's looking like from the front. I'm going to turn around to the back so you get a fair chance to see what she's looking like. This is the front. This is her from the side. This is her from the back, and she's pretty long. She's pretty long. That's the back. This is the side, and here is the front. Now about this wig, I didn't experience any tingling or anything like that. I did get a little bit of shedding. It wasn't anything that was excessive. She does have adjustable straps in the back, and she has a comb in the nape of the neck, as well as a comb up here towards the parting space. That way, if you wanted to cut the parting space open, you will be able to do so, and put your natural hair over it, and you'll be able to wear it like that. Me, I didn't decide to cut the parting space because, let's be real, my hair isn't orange. But that was all that I had to share with you about this wig. I do love it. I do love its color. It's not overwhelming. It's daytime wear friendly, and if you're looking to jump out of your comfort zone, this will definitely help catapult you in that direction. So on that note, dolls, this just concluded the video, because if you're interested in wanting to know where I actually scored this wig from or where you can get it from, I will be sure to put that information down in the description box below. So on that note, thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.